What's up, YouTube? This your boy YSNAP coming at y'all with a review. I ordered some Fear God Vans off of StockX. I've sold Supreme items off of StockX, but I never actually bought anything from them. So today I'm going to give y'all a review on the Fear God Vans that I caught from StockX. Alright, once you open the box, it comes with the StockX receipt. It comes with the StockX receipt, and it tells you the item and how much I paid for it. And it also comes with, let me take the box off. This paper. We'll throw the box out of here. Let's get to the shoe. Open up the box. It comes with the StockX verification card that it's been verified. It's been authenticized, my bad. But yeah, it comes with this. And here are the shoes. Very nice quality on these Vans. This is my first pair of Fear God Vans. I always wanted the first pair, but I think I like the black and red better. I don't think they'll get as dirty as fast. Real nice shoe though. But I don't know if I want to wear them or if I want to just hold on to them and see where the market goes, and maybe I can do a trade for another shoe. I don't know. But for now, these are looking very good, very good. Here's the other shoe. It also comes with different laces, black and white laces. Yeah, it's real nice. Black and white laces. Also come with a StockX verified authentic hang tag. Let's see. Also on StockX also give you a sticker as well. So overall, I really like the shoes. I know a lot of people think it's hype beast, but they're really some nice looking shoes, and I love the material on them. But like I said, I think I'm gonna just hold on to them for a little while and see how the market goes, so I can use it for trade bait. Or I might just wear them. I don't know. Looking like I might have to wear these boys right here. But that's it for this review. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like. This is my first video, so hopefully it do good. But overall, StockX, had a great experience with them, and I will be buying from them in the future. It's your boy YSNAP, and I'm out.